Fourth one is double displacement reaction. Okay, what is double displacement reaction? A reaction in which two compound exchange their ions. For example, suppose one compound is AB and another compound is CD. So here is ions present in A and C. They will change their ions, means after reaction it will become AD plus CB. Here AB and CD are two compounds. When both react to each other, form two new compound, but in which both ions are exchanged. For example, silver nitrate AgNO3 plus sodium chloride react to each other, form a new compound AgCl plus NaNO3. Here silver and sodium are ions and both have changed their position and place. So a reaction in which two compound reacts to each other and their ions are exchanged is known as double displacement reaction. One more thing, both compounds are aqueous in solution. Aqueous in solution means soluble in water. So you can say when two water soluble compound reacts to each other, their ions will exchanged, and when two compounds are formed, generally one compound will be insoluble. So here AgCl is insoluble, which is white precipitate. And this is the example of precipitate reaction as well. What is precipitate? Precipitate reaction is a reaction in which two water soluble compound reacts to each other and form one water insoluble substance, is known as double displacement reaction. In simple, you can see here this compound is water soluble, this one is water soluble. So when they will react to each other, only one solution will be water soluble, but one is water insoluble, and that is precipitate. So a reaction in which, for defining precipitate, you will say that when two water soluble reactants reacts to each other, one water insoluble substance is formed. That reaction is precipitate reaction. But for defining double displacement reaction, you will say that when two water soluble compound reacts to each other, their ions will exchanged. Understood beta? Take another example. Barium chloride reacts with sodium sulfate barium chloride react with sodium sulfate, so ion will exchange. So here 2NaCl plus BaSO4. So here one is aqueous and another is water insoluble, that is precipitate. And here both reactant are water soluble. Generally in double displacement reaction, one water insoluble compound will form, that is precipitate. Now we will take one example in which no precipitate will form. And that reaction is known as neutralization reaction. You have seen in lower standard, when sodium hydroxide react with hydrochloric acid, sodium chloride will form plus water as well. So here aqueous solution aqueous solution, and liquid. So you can see here two reactants react to each other, form two compound and their ions are exchanged but no precipitate. A double displacement reaction is a reaction in which two ions are exchanged, is known as double displacement reaction. Generally in double displacement one precipitate is formed, but sometimes in some reactions it is not formed. Take another example, copper sulfate plus hydrogen sulfide react to each other, then copper sulfide plus H2SO4 will formed. Okay, so double displacement reaction is a reaction in which ions are exchanged. One more thing I have to mention here, copper sulfate. Here copper is positive charge, sulfur is negative charge. Here hydrogen is positive charge and sulfur is negative charge. So positive ions and negative ions both are present in their compound. So double displacement reaction is a reaction in which ions are exchanged, means this positive ion will combine with this negative ion and this positive ions will combine with this negative ion and compound copper sulfide and H2SO4 will formed. Here both are aqueous solution, but after reaction copper sulfide plus H2SO4 will formed. Here copper sulfide is precipitate, means it is insoluble in water. So just note it down. In every reaction, in every compound, one is metal and another is negative charge ions. So one ion is positive charge and another ion is negative charge. So this positive ions will combine with this negative ion and this positive will combine with this negative ions. Just keep in mind in every double displacement reaction. Thank you beta.